get to there. Then I aim it at anybody that's threatening my set. When I say set,